Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to open Trading 212 account. Trading 212 is popular online brokerage platform that allows users to trade variety of financial instruments. To open Trading 212 account, first open your Trading 212 application on your mobile phone. Now here you can see Open Account option. Tap on Open Account option. With this, now here you need to first select your country of residence. You can scroll down and look for your country of residence, or you can tap on the search bar and look for country of residence. With this, tap on next option on down. With this, now here you need to select your account type. You can add more than one accounts any type. So now first select any account type you want to go with. According to your necessity, I am going on with invest option. Then here you need to enter your login details so that you can create your account. You need to first enter the email address that you want to use so that you can register your account. With that, enter a strong password with maximum of 7 characters, 1 number, 1 uppercase letter and 1 lowercase letter. Then once view through privacy policy, cookies policy, investment terms, disclosure notice, and tap on the given box stating you accept all those. With this, tap on create account option. After you tap on create account, now here you can allow notifications for your application. You can select the type of notification you want by tapping on the small notch. Then you can tap on allow option. With this, you'll be able to create your Trading 212 account. After you create your account, you can go with the further process of setting up your account, verifying your identity and adding your funds. With this, you'll be able to open your Trading 212 account. As you can see here, my Trading 212 account has been created. This is how we can open Trading 212 account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.